In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up tracking categories in Xero. Tracking categories are an incredibly useful tool that can help you organize your finances efficiently. They allow you to categorize and track transactions with precision, ensuring you have a clear and organized financial overview. This can be particularly useful when it comes to generating specific reports or analyzing different segments of your business. To get started, let's begin by navigating within Xero's dashboard. At the very top of your screen, you'll see a menu. Here, you'll want to click on the Accounting tab. Once you've clicked on Accounting, a menu will appear. From this drop-down menu, go ahead and click on Accounting Settings. In the Accounting Settings section, you'll find several options. What we need here is the Tracking Categories option. Select that, and you'll be directed to where we can start setting up your new category. To add a new tracking category, you will see an option that says Add Tracking Category. Click on it, and this will bring up the interface where we can begin customizing your categories. The first thing you'll need to do is name your tracking category. Let your imagination guide you here. Think about how you most need to organize your transactions. You might want to track by location, divisions within the company, or perhaps by specific names or departments. The name you choose will act as a label, helping you to intuitively organize your financial data. Once you've decided on a name for your category, it's time to enter the category options. This part is where you can add specific criteria relevant to your business. For example, if you've decided to focus on locations, here is where you can input each of your business's locations. You have the flexibility to add as many options as you need, catering to the unique structure of your organization. When you're satisfied with the setup of your category options, go ahead and click Save. And just like that, you've created a tracking category. It's now all set up and ready to be used. When recording or reconciling transactions in Xero, you will now notice a drop-down menu available. This handy feature allows you to assign each transaction to one of the categories you've just created. Using this drop-down, you can swiftly allocate transactions to your predefined categories during any transaction process. These tracking categories become incredibly helpful when you need to organize and track specific reports. They streamline the way you can pull data, making it effortless to pull reports tailored to specific divisions or operational elements of your business. And there you have it, an easy and efficient way to keep your finances well organized using tracking categories in Xero. Happy tracking!